Check out this technological madness. Bulldozers with buckets the size of a house and tracks as tall as several people. Impressive, right? I've put together a collection of machines that will greatly surprise you, and at the end, you'll see the world's largest production bulldozer. Make sure to watch until the end. It's totally insane. Let's start with this beauty.
Let's go.
The Komatsu D275A-5 Bulldozer is a heavy-duty machine weighing over 110,000 pounds. Designed by Japanese engineers, it features all the key components, such as the hydraulic system, frame, and powertrain, ensuring high reliability and efficiency. The technical specifications of this model are also impressive. The SDA6 D140E engine delivers 306 kW or 410 horsepower, providing excellent performance at an operating weight of 112,077 pounds. Can you imagine this unstoppable power? The Bulldozer is available with different blade volumes, semi-spherical at 18 cubic yards and spherical at 21.7 cubic yards, allowing you to choose the most suitable option for the task. You could fit several cars in there.
Come on now, dawg.
The undercarriage of the Komatsu D275A-5 features K-shaped track rollers, allowing the track to oscillate on two axes, increasing vertical displacement and ensuring continuous contact of the track rollers with the track. Large track links extend the service life of the undercarriage. The engine is equipped with a direct fuel injection system and turbocharging, minimizing the harmful impact on the operator by mounting it to the frame with rubber cushions. This model also includes a fan speed control system, contributing to fuel efficiency. The Bulldozer's cab has an electronic control system, making it easy to control movement and the blade through joysticks. An additional feature of automatic downshift allows the speed to adapt automatically to working conditions, simplifying machine control. It feels more like an airplane than a bulldozer. But if the previous Komatsu is a veteran, here's a new Russian development, the K-708 BCU Bulldozer from the K-708 line. This wheeled bulldozer with a 144 by 51-inch mining blade was presented at the 2023 CTT Expo. It is designed specifically for construction, repair, and roadworks, as well as for performing loosening operations in soils of the third and fourth categories, such as restoring forest areas. The bulldozer is highly maneuverable thanks to its articulated design, with all-wheel drive and dual-plane turning, making it easy to control the blade direction. Equipped with a YAMZ 238 ND63 diesel engine with 235 horsepower and a large fuel tank of 158.5 gallons, it meets Euro 0 environmental standards. In terms of transmissions, the Bulldozer has two speed modes: transport up to 25 miles per hour and working up to 7.5 miles per hour. It's a real speed demon among heavy machinery. Control is via an electro-hydraulic system. The machine is also ready for telemetry system integration for remote access. Imagine that! The operator can enjoy comfort in a new cabin equipped with air conditioning and 2 heaters, ensuring work in any weather conditions. Safety is guaranteed by rollover protection and protection against falling objects. This is a real breakthrough in Russian heavy machinery. But what do the Germans have to offer? Meet the giant crawler bulldozer Liebherr PR 776 Litronic, a real champion in the world of heavy earth-moving and mining work.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This machine is equipped with a powerful D936LA6 engine with 252 horsepower, making it a reliable helper in any construction tasks. The bulldozer has an operating weight ranging from 54,226 to 68,200 pounds, and a blade volume of 9.4 cubic yards, allowing it to easily handle large volumes of material. Its hydrostatic transmission with independent track drives ensures maneuverability and smooth control, making work on-site efficient and comfortable. The main advantages of the Liebherr PR 776 Litronic include high performance thanks to the powerful engine and large blade volume, ease of operation with a cab that provides excellent sound insulation and ergonomic controls, and fuel efficiency due to the hydrostatic transmission, which reduces fuel consumption. Additionally, the Bulldozer is reliable due to its sturdy construction and durable components. Its maneuverability is enhanced by the independent drive of each track, and it is easy to maintain thanks to convenient axle, S to key components, and centralized maintenance points.
Okay.
The Liebherr PR 776 Litronic not only performs its functions, but does so with high efficiency and operator comfort, making it the ideal choice for serious earth-moving projects. But if those were the behemoths of heavy machinery, what monstrous machines does China have to offer? And believe me, they are ahead of the game. The SD575 is truly a giant among bulldozers, the largest ever created in China. Its dimensions and capabilities are so impressive that seeing it in action is an event in itself. Equipped with a modular design, the SD575 allows for easy disassembly and speeds up repair processes, significantly saving time in challenging working conditions.
Are you serious?
The heart of this monster is a powerful engine with air cooling and an electronic fuel injection system, which not only reduces fuel consumption but also meets European Tier 3 emission standards, ensuring eco-friendliness in operation. The SHANTUI SD525 Bulldozer weighs 148,812 pounds, with a power output of 525 horsepower and a blade volume of 24.2 cubic yards. Insane, right? Additional features, such as excellent sound insulation and advanced control systems, make working with this bulldozer not only efficient, but also safe. All this contributes to increased operator productivity, making their workday more comfortable and productive. Indeed, the cab is as good as that of a new Chinese crossover.
Ha! Gay!
This bulldozer not only performs its tasks, but does so with maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact, unlike the next machine. The T180 bulldozer, based on the T140 model from the Chelyabinsk tractor plant, became an icon of Soviet industrial power. Here, there are no innovations, just pure power. This incredible machine, first unveiled in 1958, quickly gained popularity for its reliability and versatility. Initially equipped with a 140 horsepower diesel engine, it received an upgrade a year later at the Bryansk automobile plant with an engine output of 180 horsepower, capable of running on diesel, kerosene, and liquefied gas. Can you imagine the level of versatility? The bulldozer's design remained classic. The hood was in the front, with the cab and fuel tank at the back. However, its design stood out thanks to an unusual sloped front, and the spacious cab could accommodate up to 3 people. Besides basic instruments and control levers, the cab was equipped only with a heater for warmth. Now that's comfort. The T180 continued to be produced until 1987, after which it was decided to stop the production of tracked equipment at the Bryansk plant. However, demand for this model remained high, and the plant continued limited production until 1992. The bulldozer found its use not only in construction and mining, but also in road works across the Soviet Union. A true workhorse of its time. And here's another colossal Chinese bulldozer that will definitely surprise you. The SHANTUI SD90C5 is a super heavy bulldozer and the flagship of the SHANTUI lineup.
What?
This giant truly deserves the attention of those seeking powerful and efficient machinery for large-scale projects, whether it's mining or hydraulic engineering. How much does this beast weigh? Just over 132,277 pounds. Can you imagine? But that's not all. The Bulldozer is equipped with advanced technologies, including a modular design that greatly simplifies assembly, disassembly, and maintenance processes. A notable feature of this machine is the powerful Cummins QST30 diesel engine with a V-shaped cylinder arrangement, turbocharging, and intercooling, guaranteeing high dynamic performance with low fuel consumption. The fan operation is automatically controlled based on load and temperature, optimizing the cooling system's performance and reducing energy consumption.
Big man.
The operator's cab meets global ROPS FOPS safety standards, providing excellent sealing and sound insulation. The track roller balancing mechanism with a sealed lubrication system reduces vibration and enhances comfort. Additionally, the Bulldozer includes a fault self-diagnosis system with an information display and an intelligent service system that allows for remote monitoring and diagnostics. Yes, AI is now in heavy machinery too. Soon, we might not even need human operators. Now it's time to talk about a Belarusian giant. The Bel AZ7823 is a powerful wheeled bulldozer designed AFO, or open pit mining, large construction sites and other projects requiring extensive earth-moving work. The size is impressive. This bulldozer, based on the Bel AZ7822 front loader, has a straightforward and practical design with a massive rear-engine chassis, large wheels, and a high-mounted cab for improved visibility. The cab of the Bel AZ7823 has two side doors, panoramic glazing, and rear-view mirrors, providing excellent visibility. The cab interior is modern with ergonomic controls, a comfortable seat with a wide range of adjustments, and pneumatic suspension. For comfort in harsh climates, the cab also features a heater, sealed glazing, and advanced thermal and sound insulation. The blade is designed for tough conditions. Its cutting edge is 189 inches wide and 63 inches high.
Perfect.
The Bulldozer is equipped with powerful diesel engines. The base model, TMZ8424.06, is an 8-cylinder V-shaped engine with 425 horsepower and 1,413 pound-feet of torque, while the Bel AZ782301 modification uses the Cummins KTA19C engine with 490 horsepower and 1,574 pound-feet of torque. Both engines work with a hydromechanical transmission, ensuring reliable power transfer and maneuverability. This is a real monster capable of handling any task. The T500 Bulldozer, also known as Kirovets, is an equivalent to the T35.01 Bulldozer produced by Promtractor JSC.
Is immeasurable.
This model is designed for a wide range of tasks in industries such as industrial construction, oil and gas, hydraulic engineering, road construction, land reclamation, and mining, and can operate in temperatures from 122 degrees to 58 degrees. The main engine for the T500 is the YAMZ 850-10 from Avtodiesel JSC in Yaroslavl. It is a 4-stroke liquid-cooled diesel with a turbocharger, featuring 12 V-shaped cylinders and a displacement of 1,579 cubic inches. This engine develops 353 horsepower and has high efficiency thanks to modern management systems and turbocharging. The engine weighs 4,520 pounds. Can you believe it? And that's just the engine. The running gear includes tracked carriages with 2 stages of onboard transmission, external engagement and planetary transmission, optimizing power transfer and control. The cab of the Bulldozer is mounted on rubber shock absorbers to reduce vibration and noise. It features sound-absorbing upholstery and large glass windows for visibility, a seat adjustable to the operator's individual needs, and a ventilation system with heating, creating comfortable working conditions in any weather. It's not climate control, but it's pretty good. Remember, I promise to show you a real giant at the end. The Komatsu D575A-3SD is the largest production bulldozer in the world, built in Japan.
Now?
This monster was first unveiled to the public at an exhibition in 1981, and its capabilities continue to impress. The dimensions of this bulldozer are awe-inspiring. It stands 16.4 feet tall, making anyone next to it look like a miniature figure. The machine is 41.7 feet long and 10.8 feet wide. With these dimensions, the Komatsu D575A-3SD looks imposing on any sight. Under the hood, the bulldozer boasts a 1,000 horsepower engine, providing excellent performance for the toughest tasks. Additionally, the impressive 554-gallon fuel tank allows it to work for extended periods without refueling, which is crucial for large construction projects or wide-open quarries. Its comfortable maximum speed of 7.2 miles per hour enables the Komatsu D575A-3SD to move efficiently across the work zone without causing delays or wasting time. Just think about it. This bulldozer can move enormous volumes of earth in a single pass, making it an indispensable asset for large-scale earth-moving projects. An incredible machine used in quarries worldwide. I believe this monster will remain relevant for decades unless the Chinese catch up. That's all for now. Share your thoughts on these giants in the comments. By the way, if you're interested in machinery, can write scripts, edit videos, or do voiceovers, contact us via our Telegram bot at the link in the description. We'd be happy to collaborate. Thanks for watching.